And the lady asked, who of you present here are already studying French? And then I raised my hand. Perhaps 15 to 20 people raised their hand. And then I realized the benefit of acting fast. I'm very happy to think that another action I took quickly was when I decided to attend a quant-touch workshop. So I learned the technique. Now, for example, if my son has a headache, whatever pain, I can take care of him very quickly. And this is priceless when we can take care of our family, when we can take care of our clients. I like to make videos in the nature. There is a specific reason why I came to this place today. Take a look at this place. These trees without leaves, because it's fall now. At the end of this video, I'll tell you why I chose this place, why I'm here today to talk about it. But before, I'd like to share with you a story about my life. Some years ago, I decided to move to Canada. And in the program I was under, I had to learn French. When I made my decision to come here, I started right away to look for a French teacher. And in 1 week, after 1 week, I was already having my first French class. 6 months after, there was a presentation, perhaps there were between 400 to 500 people, and an official presentation about this program to come to Canada, in which I had to speak French. And the lady asked, who of you present here are already studying French? And then I raised my hand. Perhaps 15 to 20 people raised their hand. And then I realized the benefit of acting fast. Perhaps if I was procrastinating, I wouldn't be one of the few people who raised their hand. Does it mean I'm always winning the battle against procrastination? No, of course not. But this is a story, a true story, where there was no procrastination. And then when I came to this country, to Canada, my life changed. There were a lot of changes, very important to my life. And perhaps I wouldn't leave all of these experiences just because of procrastination. Perhaps I would be paying a very high price because of procrastination. But in our life, what is the price we pay for because of procrastination? The reason why I chose this place, it is because some weeks ago, I was in the exact same place. It was very beautiful. The trees with a lot of leaves. On the description of this video, you can find a video I recorded, the beautiful landscape I had when I was recording the previous video. Now, it is this. This is a lesson from the nature. When you procrastinate, when you think we'll have another opportunity, when you think we're not ready, when you think we don't have time, whatever excuse we have, the time just passed. Now we're close to the winter and I won't be able to record video in the nature again. And why I'm saying all of that? Because some people come to me and ask me about workshops, and then they don't attend the workshops because it is not appropriate time. But they show they are very interested, they are eager to attend a workshop, but they end up not attending the workshop. I'm very happy to think that another action I took quickly was when I decided to attend a quant-touch workshop. So I learned the technique. Now, for example, if my son has a headache, whatever pain, I can take care of him very quickly. And this is priceless when we can take care of our family, when we can take care of our clients. Some people have difficulties to attend an on-site workshop. Some people don't like to attend a workshop, an online workshop, but to have another option. The other option is a workshop recorded by Richard Gordon. In the description of this video, you can see the link. You'll have a workshop with approximately 5 hours and a bonus. It is called the original workshop when Richard Gordon recorded. In an occasion, he was teaching quant-touch. This was recorded, and you can have this now and learn quant-touch. So remember the lesson from the nature. Take a look at my video on the description, and you see the difference between this image and the image, beautiful image from the other video. And if I had waited more, I wouldn't be able to record this video here today because next week probably this place will be covered by snow. So take a look at the link in the description of this video, the original workshop with Richard Gordon. Thank you. See you on the next video.